Okay folks, Matthew has explained to me that the inside of the goblet bowl is gold, and we were listening to some movie clips this morning about it on my TV, and it had audio description. So the outside it said a tarnished metal goblet, but Matthew said the inside is still pretty decent gold colour. Chestnut Products metallic gold paint. So I've just been giving it a shake. So we're going to try and get it as close as we can to the movie. So this isn't being dry brushed on, it's being painted on. So it's going on to that. Turn it yet, so that'll be the first coat. And we'll hit that with some heat. So this will take quite a few coats to build up. Okay folks, so we've got the inside of the goblet done. So Matthew was explaining that on the clip, when Harrison Ford holds the goblet, the stem is about the same length as his palm is wide. So we're about right there, but what I'm going to do is just give my give me a reference mark. Lost my balancer. So we're ready to start turning the shape now. Okay everybody, this piece of wood that I'm using, this piece of ash, now I used this at the Harrogate show and it split and went kablamo, and I used this piece, what was left, and again a huge split has come. This is super dry, this wood, super dry, super brittle. So I put some thin CA glue in it and hit the activator. So what I'm going to do, we're pretty much there for the shape and the size. So what I'm going to do is sand this glue off. I don't want to go near it with tools because I think any vibration at all could make this let go. So I'm going to sand it now off camera and get the final shape, and then we'll show you the paint effect and finish on the outside. So I'll be back when this is sanded. Okay folks, so we've got it sanded to the shape we need now. Matthew's been dipping in and out of photos of the goblet and the prop. So Matthew's pretty happy with how it's looking now. So we get to chalk paint the whole of the outside. Let's just move that tool rest in my way. So you put this on quite generously. It's a lovely creamy texture, so I know where I've been. So obviously this is going to be applied in a few coats as a base. we're starting to get some colour on it. Okay folks, so we've given the outside a base of the metallic gold, and what we're doing now is aging it, and Matthew said it's sort of like a browny rusty colour. There are a few different interpretations of this prop out there and what people have made, so I'm just going to basically, you get some gold, and then this I'll just get a lollipop stick, so just find that later. So some of the rustic brown, okay folks, so it's done, and there you have it. That's our tribute to the goblet, the chalice, the Holy Grail from Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade. So it's a simple form to turn, but what we've done is we covered it in chalk paint, a very light coloured chalk paint, DIY chalk paint, remember, any colour emulsion and a good squeeze of talcum powder till the consistency you want is achieved. So, and on top of that we've used a mixture of chestnut metallic gold, rustic brown, and some other little hints of brown, but really chestnut gold and rustic brown. And while the lathe was spinning, I've brushed it on and it's left so like the scratch marks and things, which Matthew said is true to the film and the prop. So there you have it. That's my first ever tribute, oh well, Harry Potter ones maybe esque, but there you have it, first ever true prop tribute. So thank you so very much everybody. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so very much. Keep on turning, have fun, and give it a go, yeah, for your movie collection. Cheers, bye.